Hello and welcome back. We are going to start by talking about simplifying algebraic fractions today. And if you enjoyed this presentation, I would like you to try and practice. And if you have any questions, just let me know. Okay, let's start by sharing my screen. Okay, here we go. So I am going to present you a very nice. First, I'm going to start with some rules. Okay, so let's say you have to simplify A over A. What will that be? Obviously 1. So A divided by A is 1. Now we write it, we cancel it in this manner. A over A, it's 1. So it doesn't change the value of the fraction. So if, for example, you have AB over A, you can cancel them out. You can simplify them like that, divide them both by A, and you end up with B. And if you have A to the power of 2B over A, that would become AB. What would happen if you would have something like AB over A to the power of 3? Now you divide A by A, and you divide A to the power of 3 by A, and you're left with A to the power of 2. So this will become B over A to the power of 2. Okay, so these are some rules. Of course, you can work with coefficients as well. So if you have something like 3A squared over 6A, you could cancel 3 and 6 in this manner. So you divide them both by 3, you simplify them, divide them both by 3, you get 1 there, so it doesn't matter because it's in a fraction, and 2 here. And then you simplify these like that, and you get A over 2. And that's it. And of course, these can become more and more and more complex. But what I would like to show to you now is kind of a question that appeared in one of the past papers, of course, in higher tier. So it's x over 1 minus x minus 4x. And then you have to show that this equals to x times 4x minus 3 over 1 minus x. Okay, right, so let's look at that. You have a fraction here, taking away this term. This term is 4x over 1. Okay, so we need to have the same denominator. What I'm going to do here, I am going to amplify this 4x over 1 by 1 minus x. So I have the same denominator. Okay, let me make a note here. So 4x over 1, if I amplify it by 1 minus x, okay, I'm going to end up with 4x times 1 minus x over 1 minus x. Okay, so because I did that, I can actually take them away now. So I am going to do exactly that. I'm going to take them away in this manner. X, take away whatever I have here, okay? 4x times 1 minus x, everything over 1 minus x. Okay, if I expand the brackets now, I'm going to end up with x minus 4x times 1 is minus 4x, and then minus 4x times minus x is plus 4x squared. Okay, everything over 1 minus x. But look at that, x minus 4x, yes, those two make minus 3x. So I can write this as 4x squared minus 3x over 1 minus x. Great. And now I can factorize this expression. X times 4x minus 3 over 1 minus x. And what did I do? I've just proven how I got from here to here. And this is a very interesting question, of course. Okay, so if you want to see more of these type of questions, just let me know in the comments below. Thank you, and see you tomorrow. Don't forget to practice every day, 15 minutes. You're going to get better results.